A lot of these products that I'm about to use are not necessarily new, but there are a few new items that I'm just dying to use. So I was like, you know what, just put them in a video so you can get use out of it, so you can dig your hands in them. So, you know, this isn't necessarily a first impressions because, you know, I just want to sit down and do my makeup and whatnot. I don't want to call this a first impressions because there's some things that I'm going to use. Most of it I'm going to use is not new, but I'm just dying to play with these items. So some of them I haven't used before, so you may see my like initial reaction to some of these products. But most of this is not necessarily not new. So first I'm going to go in with my Smashbox primer water. Next, I'm gonna go in with the, I can't wait to use this. So this is one of the new products that I'm about to use. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas, that primer. I've never owned anything Tatcha before. It even has like a little scooper. So I'm gonna use a little scooper it comes with. I've never used anything Tatcha before, but her skincare is supposed to be like Top Gun. So I really wanted to try this because it's not necessarily just for oily or dry people, because I've steered clear of a lot of her products because I always thought they were, oh, that smells amazing. I've always thought they were geared towards like dry skin types. But when I saw this, I was like, well, it doesn't necessarily say illuminating or like mattifying. It smells really good. My skin feels tacky. So I think that's a good sign. And then next I'm going to try it with the CoverGirl Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I know, I'm so freaking late. Oh, this has a pump. So I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand first. Oh, it's maybe a little too, no, it's my color. Not that I haven't wanted to try this foundation. I wanted to try it, and so far so good, girl. Yes, I've been wanting to try this foundation. I just haven't gotten around to it. And of course I've been watching reviews and stuff online. Love the packaging on it. Maybelline and like other drugstore products too have been stepping up their packaging game. I've noticed that. Well, I noticed that a long time ago. But yeah. So next I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. This stuff has been my addiction here lately. It really has. It is good and it's cheap too. It's $6, so. And that is in the color Deep Warm. Now I've always had a hard trouble with finding my undertone because I can pull off warmer like foundations, or not foundations but concealers and things like that, because I like that yellow undertone. But I think I'm like pretty damn neutral. And I based that off of the one, that one chart that Stephanie Nicole created on her channel a long ass time ago. Like, I watched this video forever ago. But she was saying neutral, you have a skin tone, and the easiest way to know that is if you look good in silver and gold jewelry. So like, if you look better in gold jewelry, you have a warmer undertone, and if you look better in silver jewelry, you have a cooler undertone. But if your booty look good in both, then you have a neutral undertone. So next I'm going to go in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Under Eye Translucent Powder. I normally go with my Laura Mercier in that color Medium Deep. Call a spade a spade. I am a woman of color. I'm a chocolate girl, and there are some things that I just can't pull off that a lot of my favorite YouTubers can. So I have to really just keep in mind, bitch, you don't really look like them. They give good reviews, but you gotta watch it. So but this stuff, I watched a few chocolate influencers or whatever, and they say that this is good. So I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush to set it. because here lately I haven't really been into baking. Not necessarily. See what I mean? It's like, it leaves like a white cast. See, I thought this was gonna be different, but maybe not. Cause it's kind of yellow too. So I thought maybe that would work, but I keep forgetting I'm putting on eyeshadow. Normally I do my eyeshadow before my makeup, but oh well, trial and error. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my NARS Creamy Matte Concealer in the color Amande, and I'm just going to clean up right under my brows. And then I'm actually going to bring that down onto my eye to prepare my eyes for makeup. So okie dokie. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face after I finish my eyes, because I know some people will do like literally their whole face before they do their eyes. Me, if I normally try to do my brows first, then my eyes, then my face. Sometimes I'll do my face first and I'll do the bare minimum. And then I'll do my eyes and then I'll finish my face just in case I fall out or whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to go in with the Jacklyn Hill palette. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this bad boy right here. And you guys are up close and personal and y'all going to see everything. So what I'm gonna do, I was going in with Pukey, but it's not really doing much for me, so I'm going to mix Pukey and Creamsicle, and I'm going to put that, there we go, in my crease, and I'm just gonna blend it. Obviously it's just something to kind of like build off of. Yeah, there we go, there's that color payoff. You better give me that color payoff. Shit was $30 something. And just put that all in that crease, girl. Yes. Just for like a base color. My camera died while I was doing my makeup. So, and you know what? I'm not even mad because I didn't even know what I was going to do in the first place. And I kind of just went with it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do exactly what I did on this side and this side. So I'm going to go in with those same shades, Creamsicle and Pukey. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease and kind of all over the place. And I hope I do it right because I actually like this makeup, my eyeshadow. Guess we're going green. That wasn't in the plan, but then we're going to dip into Hunts. And we're literally going to put that right in our crease. My other eye, what I did was I kept blending almost until it was nothing, and I kept blending up. So I would bring it up even further the second time. Then I went in with Central Park on my outer. Right here. And then I said, you know what? Let's do Enchanted. So then I put a little Enchanted. I really hope I do this right. And I mixed that right here. And I brought that in. Already know. No, it's gonna go. It's gonna go exactly how it did last time because it don't look bad. So then I, brought this in. And you notice how Hunts is still up there. So I'm just going to basically keep blending, keep blending. And then I thought, there's this really nice matte blue. So I used some of that. And I just kept blending. And that in there, get that going. So then when I got to that color, I took a flat brush and I sprayed it. I don't have my Fix Plus right now, so I'm just going to spray it with primer water. And I took the color Enchanted, or not Enchanted, Diva. And I put that on my lid. So we're just going to lay Diva down. We're just going to lay Diva down. And then I took the other side and got this color called Pool Party. And I put that in the corner. So then what I did was I took Creamsicle and Hunt's, and then I kind of just went over it a little bit more. Match that up, girl. Match that up. Don't let it. And then I took this really tiny brush. I dipped into Enchanted again, and I literally just focused that right over that to blend this edge right here. So what I'm going to do is, because this powder caught a lot of that fallout on, and now I'm going to dust it away. I make weird faces, don't mind me. And because my outer corners are so deep, I'm just going to throw on some lashes. I'm not even going to worry about putting liner on. So I'm going to go in with the Cocoa lashes in the style Amore. So lashes are placed. So what I'm going to do next is put some bronzer on, girl. And I forgot I had this. This is the ColourPop Happy Hour bronzer, and it's supposed to be really good, of course, for chocolate women. And I'm going to take this MAC 187 stippling brush, and I'm going to dip in that. I honestly forgot how, like, I mean, I've used it before, but never that crazy. And then yesterday I was decluttering and totally forgot about it. And I was like, you know, and I swatched it. I swatched it, and it's just crazy to me how it looks like cream in the pot, but then it comes out like a powder. Swirl in same motions. Yeah. I'm still kind of getting used to all this. Like, half the time I get on here, I just want to freaking talk and talk and talk and talk. But I do want to have like some makeup tutorials. I just talk too damn much. So like, I don't know if I can just do like a makeup tutorial. Oh, use this, that, and the third, unless I'm doing like a voiceover. Because if I do like something like this, like a talk through, I talk about other stuff too. Going with my MAC blush, and it's in the color Raisin. It's around that same color that ColourPop bronzer was, and I'm just gonna kind of go over that, but it's a blush too, so it's gonna do me just fine. So then what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna put some highlight on. And I'm gonna actually go in with the Pose highlighter that Makeup Shayla collabed with ColourPop with, because this is like dead ass my favorite one. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I always start at the hollows of my cheeks, so like right at the top, and then I'll bring it down and up and down, because I really want the focus right there, you know. But it blends so good that it really doesn't matter. And I go in with the MAC 159. I know this is technically a foundation brush, but I like how it blends. And then I'm going to put a little on the tip of my nose. I love the tip of nose highlight. Like, you can't tell me nothing when I got that on. Oof. And of course, your top lip. I'm going to go in with the Chestnut pencil by MAC. So then I'm going to go in with this color. This is the color Anyways by Ellery and ColourPop. Ooh. That is pretty, pretty. Yes, I'm glad I got this color. It's like a purple brown, and Jesus. Damn, this color is beautiful. So that completes this look. I really do like this makeup. I don't know where I'm about to go, but I'm about to go somewhere, because I'm not gonna let this face go to no waste. If you guys enjoyed watching me and listening and all that, just remember to like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I feel like I'm likable, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.